And the reason I bring up Obama is because he's certainly in their hip pocket. So is John McCain. Do you see any changes in policies?
Yeah, Alex, I'm gonna have to ask you again. I mean, if we can just pick up on this thread for a second on the gold and silver market. Just as we went to break, you were talking about how the physical gold price is double what the paper gold price is. And the paper price has been manipulated down by these so-called deflationistas. And you can't get gold and silver for anything less than 50, 60, and sometimes 100% premium. Now, this is what I hear is going to happen in December. My understanding, Alex, is that in December, the COMEX in New York is going to be busted. The COMEX in New York is short gold and silver beyond what they can deliver. Come December, there's going to be a raid on the COMEX from some very large international players. And as you know, we do a lot of international press, all over the world. I'm hearing this from a lot of people around the world. They're going to do a raid on the COMEX and bust the COMEX and demand delivery of silver that they do not have at the COMEX. They've sold short bullion that they do not have. When that happens, when that story gets out, gold will double in a day. Gold will double in a day. If you don't have the gold now, it'll be too late because it'll be doubled in a day. And I'm hearing this in December. There's going to be a massive, and I'm hearing it might come from Russia, because Russia is not happy with how this Bush administration has manipulated the price of oil down to the $60 level to help their buddy McCain. And they're hurting. Now they're saying, okay, well, the hell with you. We're going to bust open the COMEX in December because we know they're short silver and gold. They can't deliver it. They've sold short more than they could possibly deliver it, and they're going to shut that market down. And that's going to be a massive dislocation of these markets. So again, I urge people, position yourself ahead of that. The dollar is absolute toast. Now, on that clip that you just played, that whole building number 7, the COMEX, building number 7, all that stuff down on Wall Street is completely corrupt to the bone, to the absolute core. And what's ironic about the whole thing, about the 9/11 event, is that I was talking to brokers 2 weeks before the event, and they had heard the rumor of exploding airplanes, and they were buying puts on airline companies. So you've got brokers who are actually working in the Twin Towers who are speculating on exploding airlines. I mean, that's what these bankers